Hello everyone, welcome to this month's kit lineup. I am very excited to show y'all what I plan to use for the month of June. I will say that there is one kit missing from this lineup, and that is June Mystery. It is very much so an anytime kit, but it has not been revealed yet, so I am not going to show y'all. I know Kirsten's actually going to be using it in May, but she's behind and she already filmed that kit lineup. But yeah, it's that good. I wanted to use it ASAP. I mean, this is a newer mystery as well as this, so I've just been obsessed with mysteries. So let's go ahead and get into my lineup. I do store all of my kits in order that I will be using them in a print Prussian planner keeper. And I think I might actually switch this. I might have switched this around a little, maybe. I think I might have moved this kit. I don't remember what was here, but I think actually Love Potion was here, and I ended up moving it out for Breakfast Dreams because I really want to use this set, but I didn't know when the time was. So let's go over this one actually really quick. So this is Breakfast Dream, and I love this art. It's art by Darcy, and I decided to just use it with Hollow, and I got a bunch of Hollow like overlays and things from Planner Choco. And yeah, super cute. And I thought that this color kind of matched this freebie from Print Prussian, kind of matched the denim in the pants there. So I also threw that in there so I can remember to use up some of those icons. But I love this art and I really wanted to use it, but I didn't know when I would have time to, because I kind of have like a preliminary plan of what kits that I want to use over the summer, and that just wasn't going to fit, so I knew I wanted to slot it in somewhere. So for May 30th through June 5th, I am using the March 2022 mystery. This is the week of Brian, which is Kirsten's husband, his birthday, and I mean, it's still just a vibe kit in general, but I thought that like if it's his birthday, I'll pick a kit that I think that he would like as well. So this again is the March 2022 mystery, and I just think this is such a vibe. I love the colors. I think it's so fun. It's just everything, and I think this one had a lot of foil options, but I am going to be going with the one that I paired with it for the mystery subscription. The Ultimate did get a sparkle, or is it sparkle? Is it called sparkle? Sparkly black foil bundle. So I am going to be using the foil bundle that comes with it. Then I'm also going to be pulling in these underlays from Plannahannah. I'm probably actually going to just save these plain black ones and put them in with my like extra black ones that I have. They do have a sparkle, but you really can't tell like if you were just wanting to use them for plain black. So these are unfoiled, so they are just printed on black, but I thought that this would look really cool in the background, even though it's not foiled. So this is the Hippie Underlays. So cute. Then I also have an overlay from Planner Choco, and I got it in red, and I thought they were really cute. It is like not a color that's in the set, but sometimes I like picking a color that's not like one of the 4 colors to bring in. And sometimes that's honestly the best pairing. Like if you are looking at this and you're like, I don't know about these colors as far as pulling it in, there is like a lot of red in here. I think it'd be a cool color to kind of bring out more, even if you wanted to do it like how I'm doing it, where it's just an accent. So I have these like nostalgia, like hole reinforcers just to add a pop. I might go in and grab some like red icons, but I feel like this is just gonna be the perfect amount of pop to pull out that red. And then I have also this from Plannahannah, which was a quote overlay, and it says, "A lion doesn't concern himself with the opinions of sheep," and a like oil slick. And honestly, if she had this oil slick like in shop, I would have gotten like everything for this in the oil slick, because I think that would be a really cool look. But I might put this in if there's like a spot for it, so I just threw it in there. Sometimes you might notice like me show something for a lineup video and then not using it, and I like to actually it's over there. I like to kind of load up my lineup with ideas, and then whenever I go to do the week, I have lots of options. So I might end up having like too many quote overlays, but I like to be able to sit down when I'm planning out the week and like have options in front of me without having to dig for things, though I usually do still dig for things. I actually just filmed this week's release video, and then I'm like grabbed the kit and I was like, you're coming home, not coming home, but you're coming into my planner binder with me. But this is the Love is Love kit. I believe that this will actually go live. This video will go live the day that this is going live, like this kit. So I'm going to be using this week, and after the video, I was like, okay, what foil bundle do I want to use? What do I want to use? What's the plan? And I went through everything, and initially I was going to use Hollow Lavender Hollow Mixed or Hollow Sparkly Hollow Mixed. Oh my God, it's so stinking cute. See, now I'm confused though, because I picked out the blonde. Let me see. Maybe I want to change this out. Because I was like, oh, I liked like the blonde tall box, but then I was like, she's blonde. I kind of want like a lot of like variety in this spread. So let's see what we could do. Maybe we'll do her. And then maybe I'll just grab those feet. Yeah, I want options. I want options for the spread. So we have lots of fashion options here. Like I said, I won't use all these, but when in Rome. Freebie, super cute kit. I also have the regular label sampler 1, 2, 3, and 4, and both of the doodles. Do I need it all? No. Do I want the option? Yes. And then the foil bundle that I decided to put with it. I think that I should buy some rainbow underlays. So I have this bundle by Crest Press. It's Rainbow Luxe. I mean, come on, super cute rainbows. I love using this kit or bundle, I guess, with basically anything that I could think of to put it with, because it's one of my favorite bundles of all time. I just think it's so cute. So I was just gonna use a regular confetti, but I was like, when in Rome, throw a bunch of rainbows everywhere. It's gonna be so cute. I do have those like quote boxes coming from Hannah, Pride ones, so I'm gonna throw those in here. And then I'm not sure. I might go and get some rainbow underlays from her as well. I might just get them because even if I don't use them with the spread, I'm sure I can find places to put rainbows. So that is going to be June 6th to the 12th. Then this week is tentative because Jess is telling me that she's coming out with some bomb summer art and has given me a like low-key rundown of the idea. And I am going to Miami this week to see my BFF Kane, and it's also Father's Day, and it was also when I was supposed to go to Canada, but this is a whole different story. So I was going to use Goonies when I found out that I wasn't going to Vancouver anymore, but then Kane was like, oh, we figured out this would be like the perfect week for us to go to Miami. So I'm going to use a beach kit, and then I'm going to use a Goonies kit a couple of weeks. You'll see. But I think from now on, what I want to do is on like Father's Day week, I want to use a birthday kit for Nick because his birthday's in December and it's like the day after Lila's. So it's just never really going to happen for him. So I think that that'd be cute. And also I'm like, I don't really care about Father's Day art too much. So this is a mystery. This is April 2022 mystery. If I do not use this week, if I ended up using the kit that Jess comes out with, I mean, I'm probably going to use that sometime this summer. If I use it this week, I'm going to use this the other week, like in August probably, or like the end of July. And then if I use this kit, whatever she's coming out with, I'll probably use at the end of July. So it's either going to be this one or a different one. We don't know. So this is the April 22 mystery. Like I said, so pretty. I considered actually like buying Gold Hollow from Planet Hannah and mixing it with this. Let me actually see, because I think that would be like a vibe, like looking at this gold color. Let me grab some Gold Hollow to see how that would look. I don't think I bought anything extra for this kit. Yeah, like, okay. Might have to do a little zhuzhing, but I feel like the Gold Hollow mixed with the Lavender Hollow. I'm a big fan when it comes to foils of using the same like texture. Like if it's like a flat foil, like a super shiny flat foil, I want to use like the same, like if I'm mixing the metals, I want to use the same. Like if it's a hollow, I want to mix it with a hollow. If it's a sparkly, I want to mix it with the sparkly. Does that make sense? Is anyone else like that? Let me know in the comments down below. But I feel like Gold Hollow and Lavender Hollow, I don't know many instances that they go together. But I feel like in this kit, like the Lavender Hollow, I feel like in the kit, like next to it, makes it look more pink. Because I feel like the tones in it pull the pink. And then this like Gold Hollow is almost the exact same color as the Gold Hardware. So I'm thinking that I'm going to need to do some Planet Hannah shopping. I obviously didn't think about this enough because these are the things I should have known. But I think that, like, I was going to just use this. But now I'm thinking, like, the gold accents. If I just do gold underlays even. Why do I have an... Oh, it's just backwards. If I do the gold underlays even and just leave it at that, that even might just be pretty. I think I'm going to do that. And get some like mermaid scale ones. I think that'd be really pretty. And then put these underneath it. I'm dead. Okay, I need to go place a Planet Hannah order then. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. And like I said, if I don't use this for the week of Miami, I'm going to use it in like July. So you'll see that, or you won't see it, or you will see it. I don't know. Then we have the fabulous June mystery. It's so beautiful, y'all. Y'all gonna freak out. It's so good. Honestly, like, so I pick out my themes like a year in advance. I always have for the most part, just to have everything like figured out, got to move things around, assign artists, make the mood boards, get that. I usually get them done like a year in advance because I already have January done for next year and it's gorgeous. Well, I'm saying like 8 months in advance right now. So this one I had planned and I was like, it's gonna be cute. Like, I've done a theme like it before, but like this one's completely different and it's gonna be cute. But then whenever I saw the art, oh my God, it was 100 times better than I could have ever imagined. So next we have, which I actually have the, you'll see in a haul. I actually ordered the gold, I'm gonna use the gold hollow twice. I ordered the gold hollow pirate map underlays. So I'm going to use gold hollow with this because, again, I just feel like it'd be a vibe to use gold hollow with this specific like orangier gold that's in the kit. Let me show you. Like, I feel like it's a vibe. I think it's pretty, right? So I ordered the pirate underlays in the gold, which I have, which I don't know how many of these dang pirate underlays I've ordered because between this one and the Captain Jack one, I don't even know. So I ordered those. I'm going to put the black underneath because I think that would be cool. It would give it like almost like a dirty vibe, having the black bougie boxes underneath. And I ordered the gold. And then I'm probably going to keep the foil on this one to a minimum just because I don't think it's a very flashy set. It's a very like grungy without being grungy, like, I don't know, and you know what I mean, it's Goonies. But I was going to use this for Father's Day week because it's one of Nick's like top 5 favorite movies. It's just so cute. But I also think it just gives general summer vibes because it's like a kid summer adventure kind of situation. But I just think this kit turned out so pretty. I'm gonna have to watch the Goonies this week. I have to remember because like I'm like a couple of weeks behind and sometimes I'm like, oh, I should have done this week because it would have matched my theme. So hopefully I remember to watch the Goonies because I think be using that box with the quote with the movie marquee would be perfect. But I'm obsessed. I have the freebie, the label add-ons and such back here as well. But I think this would be really cute. Again, I'm going to go very minimal on the foil this week. I think, honestly, I'm going to stick to the... Actually, I'm just going to get them out because no one's going to miss them in that haul. Is it? Yeah. Okay, let's see what I was doing here. All right. Oh, wait. Did I order them in black? No. No. Okay, I ordered another one in black for something else. I don't know. Why did I order them? I don't know what I'm ever doing in any of these things that I buy. I ordered one in black. Oh, I'm using the black with Captain Jack because I switched the foil that I'm using to silver. And then I'm using the gold ones that I bought. Did I buy gold ones? No. I don't even know what I'm doing. Anyways, I think, so this, right, with this underneath, it's going to give like a dirty rustic look. I think that's going to be cool. And then honestly, I'll save the rest of my order to show y'all later, but I think I might just stick with just doing header overlays and then just like maybe, I don't even know if I want to do like a bow. Does Hannah have like anchors or something or like pirate doubloons? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look. I just need to go shopping. I thought that I was ready and it's funny because you like look through and you're like, oh yeah, like You're set for yours. Oh, and then I ordered the Goonies quote overlays too. Those just came out. I try and give her a heads up of like all my custom sets. I just told her my, like, some of the other ones I have coming out, and I'm like, please do overlays for these. But I have the Goonies ones coming for this too. So, and she actually did overlays for another set that I have coming out. Hasn't been released, but those overlays have been released. So I'm really excited about that. So like I said, I think I'm going to keep it minimal. I'm going to go see if there's any like 15 millimeter strips. I think, I have a gold hollow. This video is a problem. I have gold hollow stars. I don't think that stars would be like the worst option, but I don't think it would be like the best option. I feel like our gold hollows are similar. Mine is more of, this is more of an orangey gold hollow, where this is more of a yellow gold hollow, if that makes any sense to y'all. Yeah, I'm not really thinking. I need to order gold hollow, maybe just like a confetti one, just to have like on hand. So I think that I'm going to go see what she has. I should have been writing a list because I know that I'm going to forget by the time that this video is done. But hopefully I remember everything. So, my friends, save all of those, is my lineup for this month. I am super excited about it. Let me know if we're twinning any weeks, or if you have any opinions on my choices. I'd love to know down below. If you think that there's like a better idea for something, let me know, because sometimes I just like change my mind on the fly because I see something. Especially like I'll film these and like no one's put out their lineup yet, and then everybody puts up their lineup and I'm like, well, I gotta change my whole plan because everyone else has really good ideas that I need to steal. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with this month. Like I said, this one might switch out, but if I do switch it out, I'm going to use this in July because it's gorgeous and it needs to happen. And now, especially thinking about gold hollow and lavender hollow together, kind of living for it. This one is everything, and I hope that y'all love it. I mean, it's real good. And then this one is just so cute. And like I said, I was going to use this for Father's Day, but I'm going to Miami during the week this week. But I mean, Mother's Day, Father's Day, I don't really need a kit for it, but I thought it was cute. So that is everything. I hope y'all like this video, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.